Is CapCut lagging and making your editing super slow? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick and easy tricks, lowering the preview quality and enabling Proxy, to get smooth video playback on your PC in no time. Solution 1. Lower preview quality. If your video preview in CapCut feels choppy or lags while editing, it's probably because your computer is trying to play high-resolution footage in real time. To fix this, click on Full from the preview quality options, then select Low Quality. This setting only affects how you view the video while editing. It doesn't reduce the actual export quality. By lowering the preview quality, CapCut uses less processing power, which helps your video playback run much smoother. Solution 2. Enable Proxy. If the lag continues, you can boost performance further by turning on Proxy mode. Click on Modify, then select Performance. Here, enable the Proxy option and set the resolution to 540p. Proxies are lighter, temporary versions of your video files that make editing faster without touching your original high-quality footage. Once done, click on Save. Now, CapCut will automatically use these smaller proxy files during editing, giving you smooth playback and a lag-free editing experience.